can't avoid what all their names mean.
Okay, I have a chicken bacon ranch. Kyle has a Reuben.
No, I paid one.
He can bite it and tell you how he likes it.
I have your last time into the one, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Good.
So far he says he's good. I gotta taste. Okay, I cut mine in half so it'll be easier to pick up. He likes his Reuben, and it's really good. So far, so good. So what it looks like in here. It was 2 families with a bunch of kids, but they're all gone now. So we're gonna finish and see you in a second. Got lots of meat on his.
Thank you.
Mine has lots of chicken. It's really good, guys. Chicken bacon ranch, Reuben. Mancino's, Fremont, Michigan. Delicious. Check it out.